Hey everyone, it's Erin Flota here, and I am here setting up for the next week of December. So I am setting up for the week of the 17th through the 23rd. So this week I am doing a nod to Luna Lovegood. If you guys don't know about Harry Potter, which I'm aware that some of you in my audience don't, so I'm trying to give a little bit of context here. So if you don't know about Luna Lovegood, she's like the outsider, I guess. She's a little quirky, and she attends Professor Slughorn's Christmas party with Harry during their 6th year as friends. So, again, doing a nod towards my Christmas theme and everything like that, I am doing Luna Lovegood's tinsel dress as kind of the focal point, and then her glasses, and then her more famous quote, "You're just as sane as I am." So I'm going to go ahead and work on this and fast forward you through, and I will see you at the end. Okay, so that is it for this week. I messed up a little bit on the smudge, but overall I'm pretty happy with how it came out, especially because, like, as you guys know, like, my drawings aren't great. A lot of it is pretty whimsical, which I was pretty happy with this because it felt very whimsical, and Luna is a very whimsical character. So I thought that the purple would be really nice. I added in from Kuretake the purple metallic because I just thought it would give it that little edge. I also used number 603 in my Tombow, number 606 in my Tombow, and then a silver GellyRoll pen just to give it that little extra pizzazz that Luna so greatly deserved. And I put in the quote, "You're just as sane as I am," and then use the Kuretake just to kind of border it up a little bit to, I don't know, put in those loose ends. And then I just have Monday through the weekend. This time of year isn't incredibly busy because usually my shop is closed or has died down. Most of Christmas shopping is pretty well managed. But I overall really like this spread. There's just not a lot going on this week. Most of the federal government is on use or lose because you can only transfer a certain amount of hours at the end of the year. And so people that have been around for a while have all this time that they can take off. So it's just not very effective. I also don't really know what will be going on with government shutdown. If the government shuts down, I, as a federal employee that is a non-essential federal employee, I would be furloughed until such time that they do that. So I may have to include a spread after this of things that, like, I need to take care of before a potential furlough. We kind of go through this every year now, so And we actually have gone through this. The EPA was spared in the past from the furlough. We had some extra hours that they gave us, so we weren't furloughed for that day, but I don't know what will happen this year. So we've been kind of through the mill the last several years trying to figure out budgets and things like that. So I'll probably have to dedicate a spread towards preparing for furlough, as I have to do so often now. So thank you guys for joining me for another week, and I hope you guys like this spread. I really like the colors, even though they're not really the holiday colors for the Christmas at Hogwarts theme, but this was for a Christmas party, so it still fits in with the theme, but it gives me that nice pop of color that I so greatly want this time of year. So thank you, and I will see you later. Bye, everyone.